when a system normally boots up, it will run this software. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and run it as if it was booting up. Have this one so it doesn't automatically do it. Keyboard connected to the computer, which is wireless. Right now it's connecting to the server, setting itself up. That's what the G is all about. Now it's actually running live. Normally would have loaded some ads in and you'll see them loading. In this case, I had already run it, so it doesn't require loading. This area right here is for your sponsor area, or if you have this as a menu board, this could be your advertisement area. This is your call to action. This is the branding. So if it was sponsored by an outside company, it would say sponsored by this company here. And this is set up to go into TV mode. So it's going to do a couple still ads, which is what it normally will do, until you tell it to do something like TV or whatever it is that you stream in, or streaming video. It's going to probably sense the video in a few seconds, and you'll see this turn into Al Jazeera English. This is what a menu board might look like. Over here we have time, and music would be running here if we had it for ambient music. Let's wait for a few seconds. See, these ads are changing every 15 seconds, and they're random, so ads in the system are randomized. There's no linear timeline. You put your ads in, it randomly picks them out, makes sure they haven't been seen within 60 seconds, and over a 30-day period it tries to run all the ads the same. Excuse me for my voice is a little weird. This little icon right here is like a heartbeat, letting it know it's checking the server, see if I'm sending anything live, and I'll show you that in a minute. This happens to be in our living room, so this is over the fireplace. Alright, so it's picked up the fact that it's going to go into TV mode. Notice how it's a little blurry. It's going to reset according to what the bandwidth is. Boom, reset. Now it's at high def. And it'll stay like this until I tell it to quit in the television mode. So you'll see this is where your live media would be. Now you can also send through this like live. You can make a YouTube stream, stream it live. This system would be on location, like at a bar or a barbershop, restaurant, anywhere. And you can control the ads that go here and the ads that go here and what scrolls here. Even the music there if they use it for ambient music. If music is running and the video comes up, it'll shut that off. I'm going to show you that right now. So I have a tablet here. This is how I control it remotely. And I'm going to tell it to stream this music and let me test it. So that's the music it will be playing. Okay. You turn that off. And I'm going to go ahead and update the settings. And I'm going to reset the display. Now it takes about 30 seconds for that to get that command through the internet. See what happens. So we're looking right here. So every 30 seconds there's going to be a little heartbeat. When that heartbeat comes up, it should detect this reset. There it is. It detected the reset. And if everything works fine, then this will fire music up until that video comes back. Because I haven't taken it out, so it's going to detect that eventually. See? So now it's playing music. It's going to run through some ads randomly before it detects that video, or the fact that it's going to go into TV mode, which is once it goes in that mode, it never gets off that mode until I tell it to quit, or I program something to overpower that. So this will be like in a restaurant or something. It'll be the ambient music running, showing their menus, and then advertising for someone else over here. So this would be like your paid advertisement in this case. In another case, this could be the advertisement, and this could be, for the location. And now what it'll do is it'll take 5 of these before it checks for a video. sequence. Another menu type. Good for restaurants. Or bars even, show you the type of stuff you're going to have. Alright, so that's the fourth one. Now what I want to show you is the fact that it'll know if something has music, that turn that off. And this uses shoutcast, so the music that would be streamed is totally free. You don't need an ASCAP. Any kind of music. Boom. See, it detects? That's telling you it's getting ready to run something over here. Now guess this. This just happens to be a video ad or a video billboard. So this again is a menu for a location. That's a sample. When this gets done, because it doesn't know if it would be playing music or not, so it turns that off just in case. I like this company, those PowerPoint ads. Then I convert them to video. See? Went back to the static ads. Music came back on. As long as this is not a video, then that will be there. They won't interfere with each other. Now normally what I do is I give 30% of the ad revenue to the location. 50% of the ad revenue goes to my salespeople that go out and put the machines in and sell. And then 20% comes back to DAM. Stands for Digital Advertising Media. Damn, those damn ads. Those damn billboards. So I do have in the system the fact that this is going to stream TV. Once it sees that, it's going to lock into that and never come out. And we can program inside stuff like the news every 5 o'clock or 1 o'clock and run it for 5 minutes and then come back off. So to basically take any kind of stream set, I can stream to the system, which means movies, live stuff. I mean, basically it's unlimited. And I'll show you that right here. I can even overpower what's here and go here, put in a URL to a stream, whether it be YouTube or Vimeo or some long stream for a video or movie. I can say go live and it'll take over the machine within 30 seconds and play it as long as it's, you know, still streaming. If I want to quit it, I can go here and just say, I can't read it. Reset ad server. Need my glasses. And this is all remotely done. So right now I'm connected to the fourth system. Notice how it now detected the TV stream. See how it's a little blurry? It's going to detect the bandwidth and go as high as it can go. Boom, now it's as high as it can go. Now it's at 4K. Notice the music went off because it sees that there's something that's a media playing other than a static ad. This will continuously go. So what's real good about this is if you have it on location, like let's say at a dentist office or a doctor's office, you can run through here the things that have something to do with the location, like dentistry or whatever it is, and always still sell ads here to the local community or local businesses around. And even put your own stuff in, for that matter. All it requires is the internet. So all you require is a television, what I call the ad server, which is this computer right here, or a little small PC stick that plugs in the back, which is what I normally sell. I normally don't sell the bigger units. I just happen to have this because I use this for my streaming TV. So I just install software on it so I can test it in here. But it can use any computer, any PC, Windows-based computer. Now I do have a different model that will run on Android, but it can't do all this interactive stuff. Anyway, that's it. That is a digital billboard from DAM, or Digital Advertising Media. We will be putting these things all over the DFW area. We already have them in 28 states and 4 countries now, with other entrepreneurs that have bought into my system and selling ads for their own business. But I'll be putting them in DFW area, and I will be looking for salespeople. So if you are interested in getting one of these on your location, like if you have a brick and mortar location that you like to put one of these in, and you get 30% of that ad sales, and if you do the selling, you can get up to 80% of the ad sales. Okay? If you're interested, then there's a number up here, 214-815-9308. You'll see it come up here. This just happened to be sponsored by Business in the Black, but this is from digitaladvertisingmedia.com. And you'll see the number here, 214-815-9308. So, I'm Darnell. I'll see you in the next video.